Good morning everyone, you're joining me here down at ITS Dagenham because it is the start of the massive anti-tool theft rally. This is the starting point. We've got hundreds of vans behind us. It was supposed to start at 7 o'clock. We are just 10 minutes into the event and these are the amount that have already turned up. We're not leaving till 9:30. This car park is going to be absolutely slammed. But why are we doing it? We're doing it because we are taking this huge convoy over to Romford Magistrates Court where they are sentencing 2 people that have been convicted of tool theft. We need our voices to be heard that this is a serious issue that people need to take seriously and there needs to be some seriously harsh convictions. Come on down to Romford Magistrates Court with us today. Let's see how we get on. Well, obviously being part of the rally, we want to make sure that our car is stickered up because look, this is what's important, making sure the message is out there for everyone who sees our convoy. So let's get a few and we'll stick them on. Not actually stuck one of these on before, so I don't know how easy it's going to be, but it can't be that hard, can it? Can it? Right, sticker number 1 is on. Right, next one, what have we got? Just go on here, I reckon, on the driver's door? Yeah, made a bit more difficult by doing it in the wind, I will say. Case in point. God, can I put to calm a day? Can't even get it on there. It's a nightmare. This isn't supposed to be the hard part. I might need an extra set of hands. I might need a cameraman to give me a hand here. Look what's happened to me sticker. Let's go around the other side. We'll go with a different one. I just ripped it. I don't know how easy it's going to be, but it can't be that hard, can it? So we'll give me some more signs. Even this isn't working. Carl's going to help me do it because it's too windy. Somehow we've managed to make it a 2-man job. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a bit of that's more like it. That'll be right. There we go. It's fine. It doesn't matter if it's off centre. Doesn't matter if it's off centre. The message remains the same. What does it say, Cal? Thieves don't fear the law, and that is the whole point of today's protest. Because there's a sentencing going on today, and we need to make sure that these sentences represent the effects that they have on the people that are the victims of their crimes. This is a nightmare. Nice, we're on. We're on. The car's branded up. We are now protest ready. So I've come down, we're here with Schweb today down at ITS Dagenham. Schweb is one of the main driving forces behind this stopping tool theft movement. Schweb, what's different about this rally? Why are we doing this protest?
So the reason why we're here today is the trial starts for those 2 people that were caught in the car boot selling power tools. They weren't only selling power tools, but they were also selling medicinal products as well, which obviously are not allowed. So the court have got them down for 2 things. So that's, as I said, for tool theft and not tool theft, handling of stolen goods and the medicinal products. So the police are pushing for that tool side to go to Crown Court, which so the sentencing is a lot higher.
Yep.
And most likely that will be the outcome today.
Yep.
But tradespeople, the reason why we're coming out is we want to show the magistrates how important it is for the tradespeople to actually go out there and be heard.
Yeah.
And for them to make that decision to take it down to Crown Court and actually get these people convicted. And without us doing that, we don't want to let them out with a fine because that's what happens in the magistrates' courts as usual.
Yeah. Have a look at how kitted out your van has to be. Look at this, we've got a massive caging on the front. Up there, that's a reinforced roof as well, because as I'm sure the majority of you know, tool thieves will do anything they can to get into your van. They will stop at nothing to try and make sure that they can get in. Now this is Danny Madden's van. He said he's been broken into 5 times, which is why he's then taken all these precautions, because it's not just all the caging that he's got in there, because he's also had to install loads of safes and stuff like that. And if I show you around the back, so down here you can see we've got selector DNA being mentioned there. Now that is a tool marking system. So what that does, you mark your tools, it can be then forensically tagged and scanned so that every time if that tool gets recovered, the police are able to access that tool, scan it, and that tool will find its way back to you. It's so much better than just using things like your initials, writing your name on the tool, because how many Johns are there that have written their names on the tool? Any JT, anything like that, it won't get back to you. That's why using something like Selected DNA is another great deterrent for your tools. Right, it's nearly go time for the big rally on the way to Romford Magistrates. So I'm going to get the drone out the back of the car, make sure we can get the content, because it's going to be so impressive. You can see there's hundreds of people here. We got a picture we got to be back shot for, make sure we're ready. So we'll take the drone, get ready over there, buzz it up in the air, and that footage is going to look like this. Drone footage done. Let's get in the convoy and be a part of it. This is mega. Personal highlight for us. Get off me van! Give Kirshan a few beeps on the horn. Woo! Hey? Are you really? That's so good. Okay, so Kim's parked her car. So one of our staff has clearly gone and parked her car to block the main road so that everyone can get out together. It's quite a busy road, I will say. So we might not be in everyone's good books, but it's for the greater good. It's for the greater good. The signs are obvious that we're part of the tool theft rally because there is a lot of traffic. That's because there are hundreds of us clogging up the streets on the way to Romford to make a stand, make a point that tool theft should not go unpunished. Isn't that right, Carol?
That is right.
We've lost a sticker! We've lost a sticker! Cameraman drove too quick. Got stuck on our camera for a minute, so that angle's going to be good. It's gone. It's probably stuck on the bloke behind us. I can't see. I've got my sticker back there as well. I love that guy on the side there. That is so funny. We're nearly there. You can tell because the horns are starting. This is what it's all about. There it is. We're here. People are liking the little bloke strapped to the side of the van down there. I'm hopping out so I can show you all what it's looking like. Cheers, mate. I'll see you on the other side. This is what it's all about, raising awareness with hundreds and hundreds of people right outside the court where they are sentencing 2 people that committed tool theft earlier this year. This is what it's all about, showing the people that we won't listen to that noise. Tool theft is a crime that cannot go unpunished. This is people's livelihoods and it needs to be taken seriously, and that's why we've come out in such massive numbers today. Go on.
Right, so we've got the police officers that have turned up.
Yep.
I've just spoken to them. They did turn up to court. They've got a £600 fine for handling medicines. They pleaded guilty to it straight away. They saw the noise, they pleaded guilty to that.
Right.
But the good thing, for tool theft, they're going to Crown Court.
Fine. So it's been escalated. That's exactly what we wanted.
Yep. And as I said, the police said there's no way they're getting away with that. That will be a prison sentence, most likely.
Absolutely amazing. So this is why events like this are so worthwhile.
It's so important to come out, and this is the whole reason why I say to people, you've got to get together. If you don't do this, they'll probably be let out with another fine, £100, and be out at home.
Yeah.
Now it's more worrying for them. They know what they're going to get.
Yeah.
There's no messing about with Crown Court.
Yeah.
That is the highest thing you're going to get a sentence.
That's perfect, isn't it? That's exactly the purpose of these sort of events. People coming out and creating these deterrents to put a stop to tool theft once and for all. Thank you, Sean. Thanks. This is how to make a sound. Make yourself known. I'm getting back in the convoy. So we're now on our way back from Romford Magistrates Court, where it's been an incredible event. It's amazing to see how many people, how many of you guys turn out and support these events, because, you know, obviously we're doing these things during the week, during you could be working. So the fact you've got to sacrifice just the time of your day to come out and make your voices heard for such an important issue is a real credit to everyone that turned up and everyone that does support this movement. As Schweb was telling us earlier on, when it comes to the actual trial, what's happened, so there's a £600 fine for the distribution of the medicinal goods at the car boot sale, and of course, because they pled guilty, this is now, with regards to tool theft, been escalated to Crown Court, which is huge, really, really good news. It means that it's almost guaranteed that it will end in a prosecution, which is fantastic news. When it does go to Crown Court, we're going to make sure that we're there. We'll do another video like this so everyone can see the outcome of the event and see, you know, if you've been following along, if you were familiar with this trial before it even began, it'll be good for you to be able to see the full outcome. In the meantime, please do keep doing everything you can to help supporting this Stop Tool Theft movement, because it is an absolute plague on our society. You know, people's livelihoods, people's businesses get absolutely ruined by this, and it's so important that these criminals do get punished. So it's more of a deterrent so that these things don't happen as much in the future. So yeah, keep an eye out for the next video. Thanks for watching this one, and in the meantime, just make sure you're doing as much as you can to keep raising awareness and stopping tool theft where you can.